Hello, students. I am your teacher, Mrs. Langdon, and I'd like to welcome you to this new school year at Captain Shreve. It's definitely going to be a challenging year for all of us. So let's all work together and we'll get through this together. First, I want to give you a little bit of information about myself. This is my 21st year to teach at Captain Shreve. I've taught a variety of history courses from American history to currently I am teaching Global Insights as well as European history at the AP level. I am married to a retired Captain Shreve teacher who is also a member of our Circle of Honor here at Captain Shreve. We have a 17-year-old who is now a senior in high school, loves to play baseball, and so that's what we've been doing all summer is traveling around and watching him play and do what he loves to do. When I'm not with my family, my absolute passion is teaching history. So just know that I'm excited about the school year, as challenging as it is. We are all going to get through this together, like I just mentioned. Now, in order for you to get in contact with me, you can see down here that you can email me. That is the best way to get in touch with me. The phone number is the school number. Again, that's going to take more time. If you or your parents were to call that number, you leave a message, with Miss Carter, and then I can get back to you on my planning period. But email, I can get answers to you probably a lot faster. I check my email every morning before school during my planning period, as you can see, from 10:30 to 11:23, as well as I will be checking my email hopefully during after school as well. I will be available on Fridays for any type of Zoom call meetings. So this is strictly for any of you that have specific questions, you need some help on something. It's from 1 o'clock to 2:30. So what you're required to do is if you want a Zoom meeting scheduled, you send me an email and I'll set up the specific time and provide you with that link so that you can attend that particular meeting, and we can work, whatever out that you're having any trouble with. So this is just my introductory video. After this video ends, you'll click the next button and you will move on to a quick intro to Canvas. Canvas is the new system that we're going to be using for our lessons as well as grading. So we're no longer going to be using Google Classroom, so everyone's got to get comfortable with navigating Canvas. And I have a quick and easy tutorial video for you to watch on just some basic tools for Canvas. Of course, there's going to be a lot more later on, but for now, just getting the basics and understanding that is going to be good. Again, I am Mrs. Langdon, and please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to the school year with you.